In this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur a part of a video here in CapCut. But before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now keep in mind, this is going to work on both iPhone and Android. What you're going to want to do though is open up the CapCut app and import whatever video you'd like to edit. In my case, I'm just going to choose one of our current projects. We're going to do this one right here, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and blur out the face of this guy in this clip. To do that though, go ahead and tap on effects down at the very bottom and find the video effects section right here. You could scroll on the section until you find it, or you could just search up at the very top, blur, and hit enter, and it's going to show you all these different effects. Go ahead and choose blur. The thing is, this is going to blur your entire video, but that's what you want. Go ahead and put that across the entire video, and then what you're going to want to do is actually tap overlay in the back just like so. Select overlay again and choose that exact same video, but this time you're going to have to find it from your gallery. Hit add once you find it and adjust the size slightly by just zooming it in so it fits that original frame just like so. After doing so, make sure that the overlay video is selected and scroll along the bottom menu until you find the option to mask. It should be all the way towards the back. Select that option, and what you're going to want to choose here is either a circle or rectangle shape, just because those usually work the best. In my case, I'm just going to choose this circle one right here since I'm going to be blurring this guy's face. Bring it over the location you're trying to blur and then hit invert, so only the area you want stays blurred. As you can see, this is what it would look like without the other video, but when lined up perfectly, it's going to just blur that part. If you want to go ahead and make it so that the blur follows the object, go to the start of your video and tap the option to actually add keyframes and essentially just mask out that and animate the subject as he moves. But that's how you can go ahead and blur something here in CapCut. Before you guys do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And of course, if you do have any questions, ask us down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.